The Hyundai Venue stands as a beacon of impressive fuel economy and a generous warranty, positioning itself as a savvy investment for those particularly mindful of their budgets. But here's the twist: while it remains accessible in price, it does not skimp on reliability, challenging the notion that affordability equates to quality compromise. Moreover, the Buick Envista emerges as an often overlooked contender, boasting a turbocharged engine alongside advanced features. Imagine driving a vehicle that offers a taste of luxury without the hefty price tag typically linked to such experiences. How can it deliver this luxurious feel without breaking the bank? Despite their surprisingly low prices, both SUVs present a compelling package with modern technology and safety enhancements. The question arises: how do they provide so much value without forcing buyers to forego essential amenities, those very features that elevate every driving experience to something remarkable? Delving deeper, the Mazda CX-30 captures attention with its robust 186 horsepower engine and standard all-wheel drive. This combination inevitably sparks intrigue as it boosts driving confidence and performance across diverse conditions, making it a delight for both city navigation and highway adventures. Continuing the exploration, both the Hyundai Venue and the Mazda CX-30 surprise with their advanced safety technologies and driver assistance features. This sophisticated equipment often evokes a sense of premium quality that belies their accessible price tags, raising the stakes for budget-conscious buyers looking for unassuming value. Consider also the Hyundai Kona, a compact SUV celebrated for its practicality. Starting at around $25,000, it offers remarkable fuel economy, achieving an impressive 34 mpg on the highway. But could it be that this practicality is paired with a performance edge that makes it stand out even further? With standard safety features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assistance, the Kona elevates the driving experience significantly. These enhancements, often relegated to optional packages in rivals' models, provoke curiosity about the Kona's comprehensive approach to safety. Meanwhile, the Kia Seltos emerges as another underrated gem, featuring a powerful turbocharged engine alongside impressive cargo space. How does it manage to meld practicality with performance so seamlessly, making it adaptable for a multitude of driving scenarios? On the other hand, the Chevrolet Trax claims the title of the most affordable vehicle within Chevrolet's lineup, a perfect match for budget buyers. It defies expectations by offering a noteworthy level of power suitable for both city driving and highway merges. What makes this vehicle stand out in such a competitive arena? The Chevy Trax doesn't just stop at affordability. It presents an enjoyable driving experience marked by nimble handling and remarkable fuel efficiency. With figures like 28 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway, one cannot help but wonder how it strikes such a balance in performance. Both SUVs come standard with essential features including driver assistance technologies and safety measures, ensuring a ride that is secure and comfortable for all passengers. But amidst this veritable sea of choices, which vehicle resonates more deeply with your needs? Lastly, the Toyota Corolla Cross beckons as another enticing budget-friendly option. With its 169 horsepower engine and a commendable combined fuel economy of about 30 mpg, it proves economical for daily drives. But the lingering question remains: does its practicality translate into an experience that captivates the modern driver?